Welcome back. Goa State Industries Association has opposed government's proposal to increase minimum wage scale for workers. However, association has welcomed state government decision to reinforce NPV Compulsory Payment Scheme for small, medium and large industries. Under this scheme, industries will get tax benefit for next 1 year.
GSIA President Shekhar Sardesai opposed government's proposal to increase minimum wage scale for labourers. He said that presently industry is facing recession and at this scenario, increase of minimum wage will harm the interest of the industry.
The government is now thinking of revising the minimum wages. We've not talked about it as yet, but we have made our representation to the government that the revision in minimum wages, which has been proposed in 2 years of 37%, is far beyond what the industry would be able to absorb and still stay viable. Especially the industries which are largely labor intensive and most of them are in the small and medium sector. Industries which are doing processing jobs, which means the entire content of their value addition is labor, are going to suffer badly if the current proposal of the government is taken to its if current proposal of the government is fully implemented in its current form.
Goa State Industries Association has welcomed Parrikar government's decision to reinforce net present value compulsory payment scheme for small, medium and large industries for next 1 year. Under this scheme, industries will get 75% tax exemption for the interstate sales.
It is not a tax holiday, it's called net present value scheme. So industry does pay some tax. It pays tax. Earlier it was not supposed to pay tax because it was under a holiday. But since the value added tax scheme came into existence, if you gave a holiday, the tax chain breaks. So what the scheme principally has done is we pay some tax considering the net present value of the tax that would have been paid, and the 100% tax is deemed to be paid by a particular calculation. Yeah, so the industry also benefits, government also gets some tax.
Shekhar Sardesai has shown satisfaction with the process of first round of land allotments in the various industrial estates. He feels that the land allotment policy of IDC has now become totally transparent.
In the last 7 years, there was absolutely no transparency. They were doing as they wished.
So now you are happy?
I would say we are happy to the extent that the allotment policy has been refined and the first lot of allotments is done very, very transparently. Very, very transparently.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
Navnath Naik has been elected as Vice President of South Goa Zilla Panchayat. Nelly Rodriguez is heading the South Goa Zilla Panchayat as President. Sangay MLA Subhash Faldesai raised the issue of inadequate funds for the Zilla Panchayat members.
Since एकूच nomination paper येयल्या कारणान म्हाका दिसता we can declare it he's been as elected as unopposed.
सगळ्या मतदारसंघा खातीर काम जावपा जाय पण हांव सरकाराक दरबारी झगडटलो इतलें हांव तुमकां आश्वासन दितां.
सत्ते कडेन रावन सुद्दां आमकां केन्ना ज्या तरेन सपोर्ट जाय जो गव्हर्मेंटाचो तो आज पर्यंत आमकां केन्ना मेळोन नासलो आनी हें आमकां आज पर्यंत दूख. तुवें उपाध्यक्षाक ते नॉर्थ आनी सावथा खातीर आमकां स्पेशल गाडी घेवची.
I know the problems faced by Jilla Panchayat member even after 15 years we hardly get any. Even today I say we hardly get the funds for the development. You have to strongly, keep on agitating for your rights. I am in government, even then I am saying that unless you agitate, you won't get the. Honestly, तुमचे subject वाढपाक जाय, तुमकां ते execute करपा खातीर तुमकां staff दिवपाक जाय आनी तिसरी गजाल आसा ते funds पुरेपूर दिवपाक जाय.
Seems like the PWD officials are unaware of the things present in their own storeroom. The officials have complained of a missing road breaker, but there is a lot of material which has gone missing.
या चोरी प्रकरणान हांगसर सड्या वयलेच PWDचे वर्कर्स इन्वॉल्व आसा अशें दिसता. कित्याक हांगसर 4 मनीस 2 शिफ्टींनी काम करतात आनी ताका लागूनच हांगसर हो स्टोर रूम आसा स्टोर रूमांतले त्यांचो एक ब्रेकर चोरयेक गेला म्हणून कळय अशें पुलिसांक तेंच्यांनी कळीत केल्लें आसा. ह्या स्टोर रूमांतले आनीकूय खुबशे सामान ना जाल्लें आसा. हेचो PWD कडेन रिकॉर्डूच ना, जेणे करून तेंच्यांनी फक्त तेंच्या रिकॉर्डान आसलेलो एकूच ब्रेकराची तेंच्यांनी पुलीस कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा. आनी हांगसर पायपां आसा, जॉयंट्स आसा, हेंचेय हांगसरले ना जाल्ले आसा, पूण तेंच्यांनी ते रिकॉर्ड हांगसर पुलिसांक कंप्लेनीन घालूंकूच ना. हेची चवकशी जातली काय कितें? PWD मिनिस्टर जावं ना जाल्यार उच्च अधिकारी PWDचे हेची सखोलान चवकशी करतले काय कितें? वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.